Okay, this is part 2 of the activity checklist. Okay, we're going to go down to the activity checklist portion. Okay, we'll cross at intersections without traffic signal. Okay, so that's what we're working on. That's the objective we're working on. Okay, and the goal, of course, is up here at the top. We'll cross street safety intersections with and without traffic signals. Okay, so as your student is out and about, if it's safe, you're going to check off what they're doing. Okay, so walk on sidewalk, independent, we got 100%. Okay, stop at corner. Okay, student can't do it, so we just X 0%. Locates crosswalk, X 0%. Okay, they need instruction. Okay, they can't perform it with prompting, they need instruction. And over here in the comments, you see only located 3 out of the 12. Okay, so that's not with prompting, that they need instruction. And again, as we mentioned before, don't hesitate to give us 0, because this percentage is not a grade per se, like we all think of when we think of school. We got 28%, it's an F. Again, it's not. Okay, the student has obtained or has learned 28% of the objectives we would like for them to learn. Okay, and of course, a lot of students are top is 65%. So as we go through, hopefully this number will rise up, and we can show that when we write the summary. Okay, so as you go down through, you can see the terms of intersection has stop sign. Okay, of course, two-way stop sign. Of course, she didn't see one, so it's not observed. Okay, and if we check not observed, that's okay because it's not counted. We don't count that towards the percent. Okay, we're only counting what we see. You know, what the student actually tries to do is the only thing that goes into this percentage. Okay, and you can make comments, and I encourage you to make comments if there's a good reason to do so. Looks around an intersection. Okay, we have needs instruction, and right here we just put only looked in one direction. Okay, why is this valuable? Because we can see progress as we go on. If the check mark goes ahead to either performed with prompting or independent, we can see where they were and where they went, or what progress they made as they were going. Okay, it's like for this one, looks to the left, we have with prompting, and here it says student is showing improvement. And we have that because on the last one we did, or two of them that we did before this, the student couldn't do it. Okay, but now we're improving, so we're showing improvement. And of course, we fill these out as we go. Looks for car in all directions. We have 0% for that one. And we make our comment here, had to be assisted every time. Okay, so we move over to the second sheet and continue on. Okay, and we have these last two, these last three, I guess, and, continues to cross the street, 65, 65. Okay, that'll conclude the second part of this video. And just going over that particular part. Join us for the third part where we're going to figure out the percentages. And please watch the percentages, because if stuff's turned in without a percentage complete, it's going to get kicked back to you.